Hey guys, I wanted to make a quick video to go over some really misleading information that I'm seeing online being discussed about Charlie Munger's investment into Alibaba. And the more of us that can speak out and correct the narrative, the better of a job we can do to help each other. And also guys, please don't forget to smash that like button. And also if you're new, please consider subscribing to the channel to keep up to date with all the research that's being done here. All right, let's get into it. What I'm noticing online is that people are making an incorrect assumption that because Charlie Munger is associated with Berkshire Hathaway, that the Alibaba investment was made by Berkshire Hathaway themselves. Please note guys that despite Charlie Munger's affiliation with Berkshire and the legendary investor Warren Buffett, this Alibaba investment has not, and I repeat, has not been made by Berkshire Hathaway. At least not yet. That's been publicly disclosed to us. Now, why does this matter? It matters because oftentimes when Berkshire Hathaway makes an investment, the company gets a little bit of a shine to it. People do like to mimic the investments made by arguably the most famous investor in the world, Warren Buffett, which I might add is not necessarily the worst investment strategy out there, but not one that I would personally encourage, as I have discussed a few times already on this channel. So if the investment hasn't been made by Berkshire Hathaway, why is everyone saying that Charlie Munger has made an investment into Alibaba? Well, because Charlie Munger has made the investment through the Daily Journal Corporation. This is a company of which he's the vice chairman of and owns approximately 3.6% of. Now, the media is reporting that Charlie has made a highly concentrated bet on Baba, which is a partial truth. Alibaba does reflect approximately 20% of Daily Journal Corporation's investment portfolio. That part is true, but we have to note that this investment reflects only a tiny fraction of Munger's net worth. In fact, the whole portfolio of the Daily Journal Corporation is $225 million, of which Charlie's 3.6% stake reflects approximately $8.1 million. When you compare that to his overall net worth of a couple billion dollars, you begin to see just how immaterial all of this is to Charlie Munger. So as I mentioned time and time again on this channel, it's nice to see when super investors have come into our investments that we independently came to a conclusion on investing in ourselves, but it ultimately doesn't matter. Alibaba is currently selling for way below its liquidation value. I'm a buyer with a forecasted value in the mid 300s. And if you'd like to get a quick analysis on exactly why Alibaba is a good investment opportunity, I've made a quick 1-minute video on the Alibaba thesis that you can grab right here.